Good day everyone, this is Mohit and I welcome you all to my unboxing and review video. Apple introduced something entirely new on 4th of March 2026 at the Apple launch. A fresh chapter in the Mac lineup, introducing the all-new MacBook Neo. An amazing Mac at a surprisingly accessible price featuring a durable design, beautiful color options and powerful capabilities that make everyday computing feel effortless. It's a fresh new way to experience everything people love about Mac every single day. MacBook Neo comes in 4 stunning color options: silver, blush, citrus and indigo. And for this video, I've got this beautiful citrus color to give you a closer look. Let's dive in as it's time to unbox. As we turn over the box, we see these clean paper pull tabs. Apple's signature packaging style, just a simple peel, so smooth and satisfying. Lifting the lid and we are greeted with this MacBook Neo. It says hello on this paper covering the Neo. Very interesting. Let's quickly see what else is inside the box and I'll show you the MacBook Neo in a moment. We've got this information booklet that says designed in California. This sheet talks about the setting up process in brief and highlights the various ports on this MacBook Neo. Then we've got the 20 watts USB-C power adapter and the USB-C braided charging cable. Alright, now let's unwrap this and take a look at the gorgeous MacBook Neo in this beautiful citrus color. Feels really amazing already. Right from the moment you open the box, Apple's design philosophy is clear. Clean, minimal and beautifully crafted. Say hello to MacBook Neo. This citrus color definitely looks really amazing in person, and depending on the lighting conditions, sometimes it gives you a hint of yellow color and sometimes green. Very citrusy. The MacBook Neo is carved from premium aluminum, giving it a durable, long-lasting build that still feels refined in hand. The gently curved edges add a touch of elegance while making it comfortable to hold and use. Weighing in at just 2.7 pounds, it's light enough to slip effortlessly into your backpack or even a handbag for life on the go. Adding a splash of personality, it's available in 4 striking finishes: silver, blush, citrus and indigo. And the look carries through beautifully to match the color around the Magic Keyboard. What stands out first is that stunning 13-inch liquid retina display. Bright, sharp and seriously impressive. With up to 500 nits of brightness, everything looks vibrant and full of life. Whether you're watching movies, editing photos or jumping on a video call, everything feels very smooth. It's sharper and more vivid than most laptops in this price range. And thanks to the anti-reflective coating, you get a comfortable viewing experience even in challenging lighting conditions, so you can use it just about anywhere. At the core of MacBook Neo is Apple's powerful A18 Pro chip, the same chip that first appeared in the iPhone 16 Pro series. Now adapted to power a full laptop, or rather a MacBook. Isn't that amazing? It blows my mind. That means everything you do, from browsing the web and streaming content to creating documents, editing photos and using AI features, feels smooth and responsive. Compared to the best-selling PC with the latest Intel Core Ultra 5, the Neo is up to 50% faster for everyday tasks, so you can get more done without waiting around. Graphics come alive with its 5-core GPU, perfect for action-packed games and creative apps, and the 16-core neural engine keeps on-device AI tasks snappy and efficient. With 6-core CPU, 5-core GPU and 8 GB of unified memory, along with the support for Apple Intelligence, it's a classic work of art. And just like the MacBook Air, this MacBook Neo is a fanless machine, so it runs completely silent while still delivering powerful performance for everything you do. Thanks to the super efficient Apple Silicon, the MacBook Neo can go up to 16 hours on a single charge. That means it's ready to keep up with you all day, whether you're working, streaming, or creating from the classroom or your favorite coffee spot and everywhere in between. Now let's talk about storage and Touch ID. When ordering your MacBook Neo, you've got two options to choose from. The 256 GB option comes without Touch ID, making it the most budget-friendly option. The 512 GB option adds Touch ID right on the keyboard, letting you log in quickly and securely, and even authorize purchases with Apple Pay in a flash. On the sides, the dual side-firing speakers with spatial audio and Dolby Atmos deliver immersive sound that makes movies, music, and games come alive. For video calls, the 1080p FaceTime HD camera with optimized image processing keeps you looking sharp and vibrant, while dual mics with directional beamforming cut out background noise and focus on your voice so you come through loud and clear every time. The MacBook Neo comes with two USB-C ports that let you connect accessories or an external display, and both can be used for charging. There's also a headphone jack for wired audio. For wireless, Wi-Fi 6E keeps your internet fast and smooth, while Bluetooth 6 makes sure your peripherals and accessories stay reliably connected. Now, let's talk about the part that everyone wants to know: pricing. MacBook Neo starts at $599 US or $499 US for education. At this price point, you're getting Apple's signature quality, stunning color options, and the entire Apple ecosystem, making it perfect for students, writers, or for anyone who wants a Mac for everyday work, streaming, and for fun. This is by far the most affordable MacBook that Apple has ever offered, packed with so much value that it's bound to shake up the tech market. Alright, so that's everything about the all-new MacBook Neo. A stylish, powerful, and surprisingly affordable Mac. Let me know what you think about this product and my video. I hope this has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for watching.